Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we share the best tips and tricks to make your home amazing. Today, we're diving into the 15 priceless kitchen interior hacks that you'll wish you knew earlier. These simple yet genius ideas will transform your kitchen into a space that's not just beautiful but also super functional. Let's get started. Hack 1. Utilize vertical space. Don't let your walls go to waste. Install floating shelves or wall racks to store utensils, spices, or even decorative items. It saves counter space and looks chic. Hack 2. Add pull-out pantry drawers. Pull-out pantry drawers are a game changer. They make it easy to access everything without having to dig through cluttered shelves. Hack 3. Magnetic knife strips. Keep your knives sharp and accessible with a magnetic strip. It saves drawer space and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Hack 4. Install under-cabinet lighting. Under-cabinet lighting is both practical and stylish. It brightens up your workspace and creates a cozy ambience in the evening. Hack 5. Use drawer dividers. Drawer dividers make organizing utensils and tools a breeze. No more hunting for that one missing spoon. Hack 6. Opt for lazy Susans in corner cabinets. Maximize those tricky corner cabinets by adding a lazy Susan. It makes accessing items easy and keeps everything organized. Hack 7. Add a pegboard for versatility. A pegboard isn't just for your garage, it's perfect for the kitchen too. Hang pots, pans, and utensils for a functional and decorative look. Hack 8. Hide appliances with cabinetry. Keep your kitchen looking clean and streamlined by hiding appliances behind cabinetry. It's a must-have for a polished look. Hack 9. Use clear containers for pantry storage. Clear containers make it easy to see what you have at a glance and keep your pantry looking tidy and Instagram worthy. Hack 10. Add hooks inside cabinet doors. Maximize storage by adding hooks inside cabinet doors. Perfect for small items like measuring cups, lids, or oven mitts. Hack 11. Opt for multi-purpose islands. A multi-purpose island doubles as a prep station, dining area, and storage hub. It's a must-have for modern kitchens. Hack 12. Install a pull-out trash bin. Keep your kitchen clean and clutter-free by installing a pull-out trash bin. It's convenient and keeps odors at bay. Hack 13. Add a chalkboard wall or panel. A chalkboard wall adds personality to your kitchen while being super practical for notes, grocery lists, or even a weekly meal plan. Hack 14. Use stackable storage solutions. Stackable storage solutions make the most of every inch in your cabinets or pantry, keeping things neat and accessible. Hack 15. Incorporate open shelving for display. Open shelving isn't just for storage, it's an opportunity to showcase your favorite dishes, plants, or decor items while adding character to your kitchen. And there you have it, 15 priceless kitchen interior hacks that can take your space to the next level. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing tips.